Hey guys, what's up? It's 8:30 in the morning and we're partying. Isn't that right? Yeah, tell them. Tell them you are up to a party. Oh, you're so silly. I know you're so silly. Look at you go. Look at you go. Can you say hi to the girls? You want to get up there and say hi? I know. Work with me. You gotta work with Mama. Here's the tiny little dude. Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. I know. He likes to move his head around by himself and it scares the bejesus out of me. Look at him go. You say hi? Can you say hi? Oh, pretty boy. Look at the baby. Do you see yourself? Oh, bless you. Do you see? Can you? What do you? Yeah? Oh, yeah, tell them. You got more? You see yourself on the screen? Who is that? Who is that? That's you. Look at how cute he is. Oh goodness, you can't get over that, huh? How cute he is. Look at Mama's boy. I need to cut my nails. Oh. Okay. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, ladies. Well, here's our first YouTube video together, with many more to come. Don't judge the hair. La-di-da-di-da. Good morning.